February 9th, Super Bowl Sunday. So I chose today specifically to do this tutorial. So today's video is going to be on how to shoot a music video. And if you're an artist and budget is tight, 'cause I know the economy is kind of crazy, and you can't afford these $500 and up music videos, today's tutorial is going to help you, and it's going to show you how to shoot your music video. If you're watching the Super Bowl, man, I'm going for the Philadelphia Eagles, that is. Catch y'all on the flip side. All right, what's up, guys? So today, as we get ready to take off and start this tutorial on how to shoot a music video, I'm going to show you guys my settings for my GH5. Let's get into it. So everybody's settings may be different, but I'm going to show you guys normally how I rock my GH5. So now I'm going to show y'all my settings for my GH5 that I use when I'm rocking and shooting these videos. So make sure that you have that on MOV mode. All right, let's dive into the menu. So first thing, once you get to your menu, you want to get to this top logo with the camera and the M, which is for the movie mode. So boom, once we get to it, let's get to the top of the menu. All right, so once you get into your menu, I'll leave my exposure mode at M because I shoot manual. I do use my waves vector scope when I'm shooting music video. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the second logo with the camera, and then I choose to leave my recording format at MOV, and my recording quality I shoot at cinematic 4K, 10-bit, 24 frames per second. Now I changed this because I normally use my GH5 as my A camera, which shoots at 24, and then my B camera is what we're shooting on now, the Osmo Pocket 3, which then I can just jump to my 60 frames or 120 frames to get my slow-mos. So a lot of them might be asking, why all of that? Which I'll give you the breakdown to. And then as far as my photo style go, I shoot at Cine D. I don't use no Vlog. I have a setting for my color profile for it all match. So I normally go my contrast at -5, sharpness -3, noise reduction +5, saturation -5, and I leave my hue at 0. All right. So now I'm gonna take y'all to the next step, and then we're gonna get ready to it. All right, guys. So right now we are outside down the street within a shopping area. It's cold. Like I told y'all guys, today is February 9th, Super Bowl Sunday, and I chose today to do this how-to tutorial. Outside down the street within a shopping area. It's cold. Like I told y'all guys, today is February 9th, Super Bowl Sunday, and I chose today to do this how-to tutorial. So right now, we're outside of the shopping plaza nearby my house. So now I chose this area so we can use it to demonstrate. So now what I want to do is I want to show you guys the first step, what you want to do when you go to your location. The first thing first, I see a lot of mistakes, but I also learned this on my journey. You want to start shooting that video and come at a 180 angle to introduce your establishing shot of where you're going to be at when you're shooting this video. And then once you do that, because you remember when we're watching TV, everything is going this direction. So you don't want to throw them off. Now, it's different within your transitions if you got a lot of things going on, but you don't want the video to start where it's going this way, that way. When we watch TV, things are happening this way. So keep that in mind, 180-degree angle when you're shooting. And that was our 24-frame shot. I did a little bit of some action. Now I'm going to show you guys the reason why you want to shoot at 60 when it comes to your action frame, your action shot. So yes, guys, so That is the basics when it comes to the whole how to shoot a music video. Just on a quick step, you want to make sure you have your settings correct. You want to look at the lighting situation outside if you don't have lights to determine if you need an ND filter. Check the weather before you shoot. Location scouting is very important. When you're beginning, it gets hard to kind of figure out what direction do you go, or how do you even find how or where to shoot the video at. So normally those are things that you learn on your own, but it's probably in my bag. So yeah, guys, other than that, thank everybody who tuned in that's watching this whenever it catches you. But don't forget, man, only you can get yourself as far as you want to. Let your mistakes be your stepping stone to the greatness that's heading your way. I'm at where I'm at because I was once watching thousands and thousands of YouTube videos, hours dedicated to getting to this dream of becoming the greatest cinematographer that's yet to come out. Everybody else, yeah, man, thank y'all. Thank all the followers, subscribers. I thank y'all, appreciate y'all, man. It means the world to me that I have this platform to be able to just come share with y'all this journey and also share with you how you can get better at what you're doing. Shot by Foreign Black Heat Production. Any questions y'all have, man, please feel free to ask. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all again for watching. More videos on the way. Foreign Black Heat Production. Oh, yeah, man, by the way. All right, y'all, enjoy the video. Let's go.
We just playing with them on this and else. Turn me up a little bit.
It's a motherfucking LB.
I really be having my way. Stacking my paper, I stay out the way. I really be having my wave. These niggas be jacking my wave. I really be having my way. Stacking my paper, I stay out the way. I really be having my way. These niggas be jacking my wave. I really be having my way. Stacking the paper, I stay out the way. I really be having my way. These niggas be jacking my wave. I really be having my way. Stacking my paper, I stay out the way. Lil' mama, she liking my wave. These niggas ain't jacking my wave. I hustle, no time for play. Stacking my paper, I stay out the way. I'm riding my wave, creating my path. These haters be jocking my wave. They copy and paste. I really be having my way. It's one of a kind, you can't even copy. I'm true to myself and I'm keeping me thriving. I'm riding solo, no need for distractions. I'm focused on goals, I stay in my lane. No time for fake. I'm keeping the trill, no time for mistakes. Remember my name, I'm ringing like Bill. I'm stacking my paper like King of the Hill. My diamond be shining, I'm wet as an ear. I keep a 380 Beretta. Not for real. Not for real. You know, really be having this shit, man. Really having shit my way. I thank God and all the answers.